No matter how Bears fans were now dressing, no matter how unusual their apparel, the most stylish fellows in the Windy City were the defensive players. William Perry's pursuit of excellence included lateral pursuit, much to the Falcons' surprise. Against Atlanta, Perry's east-west mobility was excellent, but for north-south running, there is none better than Walter Payton. For the 7th straight week, Payton rushed for 100 yards, tying a league record. Also providing some impressive numbers were the men of the defense. They recorded their 2nd straight shutout, allowing Falcon quarterbacks the short pass only. In the last 13 quarters, the Bears had allowed only 3 points. By year's end, they would permit less than 2 touchdowns a game, lowest in the league. An elaborate defensive strategy and great athletes were what made these new monsters of the Midway so deadly.